Hi everyone. I want to share with you one of life's little wonders. We had a windstorm here, and the day after when I was outside, I found this bird's nest on my property. It absolutely amazed me, and I enjoyed looking at it close up. I thought I'd share this with you, that you may have the same enjoyment that I did as I was going about that particular day. I hope it inspires you and motivates you to keep doing the best that you can in your life, and that you'll make the most of each day. Thanks for this time that we spent together. Bye for now.